this tutorial to know about how to create group names in Roblox. This will help to make friends, create group games, and sell merchandise. To create groups, we need at least 100 Robux. By default, Roblox player will show the Roblox user account and list of recommended games. Let's verify we have at least 100 Robux are available or not to create the Roblox group. Click on the group icons and then create group button that will open a new form and demand some information. Let's provide the group name. Just for the demo purpose, I am providing a description like this. Roblox group will helpful for those Roblox user or players who are looking some technical help as well as make friends and sell products. Let's change the image also for the group that is mandatory for the Roblox group. Select anyone can join or manual approval. If you want to allow anyone to join, click the radio button next to anyone can join or else manual approval. Now press purchase confirmation. You will see your Roblox group will be created successfully and also 100 Robux will be detected from your account. You will be able to see new group with the description. Even we can also define the new members and admin for this group to handle the group in the efficient way. Under the Store tab, groups have the ability to create and sell official shirts, pants, and t-shirts. All revenue goes to group funds that will be available in the Store tabs. Under the affiliates, we can perform the actions if we want to become either allies or enemies with other groups. Now tutorial is end. If you like this tutorial, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting. Thank you for watching.